In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group objects in Canva. If you've ever been working on a presentation, flyer, or social media design in Canva and found yourself constantly nudging elements back into place, grouping is going to make your workflow much easier. Instead of moving shapes, icons, images, or decorative elements one at a time, you can combine them so they behave like a single unit. This helps keep your layout neat, saves time, and makes editing much more manageable. To begin, open Canva and go to the project you want to work on. From your home screen or recent designs, open the presentation, graphic, or document where your elements are already placed. Once you're inside the editor, look for the specific objects you want to keep together. These might be text decorations, shapes, illustrations, icons, or image frames that form one part of your design. Before you can group anything, you need to select all the objects you want included. One easy way to do this is by clicking and dragging your mouse around the elements to create a selection box. As long as the objects fall inside that area, Canva will highlight them together. If your design is more crowded or some items are layered closely together, another reliable option is to hold the Shift key and click each object one by one. This gives you more control and helps you avoid selecting the wrong item. Once everything is selected, move your attention to the toolbar that appears near the top of the editor. You should see the Group option there. Click it once, and Canva will instantly combine those items into one grouped element. You'll know it worked because the separate selection outlines will become a single boundary around the full set of objects. If you want to work even faster, there's also a keyboard shortcut. After selecting your elements, press Ctrl and G on Windows or Command and G on Mac. That will group them immediately. This is especially useful if you group items often while designing. Now, if you later need to adjust just one object inside that group, you don't have to ungroup everything. Simply double-click the specific element within the group. Canva will let you isolate that item so you can edit its color, size, or style while keeping the rest of the group intact. When you're finished, click outside the group to return to normal editing. As a final check, drag your grouped design around the page and use Canva's alignment guides to make sure everything is positioned correctly. When you're happy with the result, go to Share, choose Download, select PNG for digital use or PDF print for printing, and then download your design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.